Gemini did a really good job at making up timing and sequencing and invented transitions, and it really confidently was getting the timing so very wrong. So after several tries and instances, we decided to shut it down and go back to the old school way of using a Google Sheets Q2Q to run the show. That was manual, that was unsexy, but it worked. And that really stabilized us as far as the entire live show was going to be and the execution of that. Okay, so the show day, this was basically the system, the way it was running. And we had everyone coming into the landing page, then they were redirected to Luma for registration, and then they were getting a magic link to get to Virtual Creator Studio. And then on the production side, we were streaming from StreamYard into Virtual Creator Studio. And then for anyone that for some reason wanted to join us on mobile, because that was another thing, Virtual Creator Studio was not a mobile, does not have a mobile option. Yes, you can open it in the browser, but you don't have an app, right? So for those people, we wanted to give them the option to still join us, and they could join us on YouTube. But we wanted to keep track of who those people are, so that's how we ended up with still taking them through the process.